Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to prevent the spread of the coronavirus by coughing, sneezing, and washing your hands properly. Coronavirus can spread from one person to another through respiratory droplets of moisture produced when an infected person sneezes and coughs. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC, coronavirus can spread from one infected person to another person who comes in contact with a distance of about 1 meter. Friends can practice the rules of sneezing and coughing and how to wash hands properly. How to sneezing and coughing the right way. Number 1. Use a tissue when sneezing and coughing. Cover the mouth and nose using a tissue. Then throw away the used tissue. And number 2. Use the upper arm. When coughing or sneezing, immediately bring your upper arm toward nose and mouth. How to wash hands properly. How to wash your hands properly and correctly as two conditions. Normally, washing your hands with soap and water. The following steps. 1. Wet hands with clean water and take out hand washing soap. Number 2. Rub hands with soap until leather. Don't forget the bottom for the back of the hands between the finger and under the nails. Number 3. Rub all parts of the hands for 20 seconds. Number 4. Rinse off on the using water. Number 5. Don't forget to dry your hand using a clean tissue. If friends are in a place where clean water is not available, then you can use a hand sanitizer that contains alcohol. How to use it is very easy. Number 1. Spray enough hand sanitizers on the hands. And rub the hand sanitizer all over the surface of the hands until it is dry. That's all about preventing the spread of the coronavirus. Hopefully it will be useful and keep the healthy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.